Day 27. Relentless dedication. The sandhill cranes guard and warm their clutch as the critical hatching window approaches. Day 28. Through rain and sun, this pair of sandhill cranes never wavers. 4 eggs still warm beneath devoted parents. Day 30. Incubation nears its end. Inside these 4 eggs, the sandhill crane chicks are preparing to break into the world.
Day 31. The long wait is almost over for this devoted pair of sandhill cranes. Their chicks are calling from within the eggs.
Day 65. Between feeding and resting, these young sandhill cranes continue to gain strength. Every successful hunt brings them closer to independence.